Alright, so before we start the course, let's take a moment just to comment the quick recap about the topics and the objectives and all the concepts we are going to cover for this journey. And the idea behind this lesson, as I previously mentioned, the course is designed for pretty much all types of users, whether you have non-existent experience or maybe you have used ArchiCad before and you already have basic experience, or maybe whether you are an advanced user with ArchiCad. The idea behind this document and this lesson is to help you decide which topics you want to take, or if you want to take the course completely, fully, and let you know a quick recap about the topics and concepts we're going to review. So this is the same document I'm going to include within these lessons in PDF format, so you pretty much have this document also available for download within this lesson. You can open it up, you got a brief introduction, the same I already mentioned in the first lesson, but more importantly, you got this page over here, which is the course integration blueprint. And I've been teaching through Udemy for over 1.5 years, and in this time I've noticed that all my courses have some type of synergy. The course we are currently taking, which is the basic BIM framework with ArchiCad, is the first step. We also have an introduction to BIM where I explain in 2 hours a brief idea of BIM and how you can also start working with ArchiCad, but this is pretty much the same we also begin with in the basic BIM framework. And the basic BIM framework with ArchiCad course is one of the first steps, and also keep in mind that there are many different areas and educational lines where we can continue exploring the different topics with ArchiCad. For example, in the modeling techniques, once you dominate the basic framework or the basic workflow with ArchiCad, in the modeling techniques we continue exploring and delving into more specific modeling tools. In constructive solutions, we review topics related to the structures, to the map modeling, to the generation and evolving of an architectural project we review in basic BIM framework, but we take it to the next step by evolving it into a constructive project. Also, we review a little bit about the map modeler concepts. We can also render our projects just using ArchiCad. We can do it internally with ArchiCad, or we can also integrate with other programs such as Twinmotion, something I'll delve a little bit within graphic expression with ArchiCad, and also something I'm going to delve into more detail, which are the advanced feature with ArchiCad, which I haven't explained yet either in Spanish, but this is something upcoming in the future. But the basic BIM framework with ArchiCad is one of the first steps you can take if you want to delve into the BIM line by using ArchiCad. And another type of interesting synergy that happens is with Rhinoceros, because pretty much I explained the basic framework but with Rhinoceros, which is an organic modeling tool. Then we can delve into Grasshopper, which is another tool that allows you to visually program your algorithms. We can delve into parametric design, and then we can integrate both ArchiCad with Grasshopper to start reviewing generative design concepts with the integration of these two different tools. So before covering the specifics of this present course, I'm just including this quick course integration blueprint so you keep in mind how the different courses and teachings that I share within the Udemy platform will integrate both on the long term and on the long run.